Welcome to this tutorial on flattening arrays with Ravel. In this video, we'll explore the difference between flatten and ravel methods in NumPy. Understanding these two methods is crucial for efficient array manipulation and memory management in your data science projects. Array flattening is the process of converting a multi-dimensional array into a one-dimensional array. For example, if you have a two-dimensional array with rows and columns, flattening transforms it into a single row of elements. The elements are taken row by row and placed sequentially in the one-dimensional output. The ravel method is one way to flatten arrays in NumPy. When you call .ravel on an array, it returns a flattened one-dimensional version. The syntax is simple. You create your multi-dimensional array, then call the ravel method on it. The result is a contiguous flattened array containing all the elements in a single dimension. The flatten method is another approach to flattening arrays. Like Ravel, you call .flatten on your array to get a one-dimensional result. The syntax looks identical to Ravel, and the output appears the same. However, there's a critical difference in how these two methods work under the hood, which we'll explore next. Here's the crucial distinction. Ravel returns a view of the original array when possible, meaning it doesn't create a copy in memory. On the other hand, flatten always returns a copy of the array. This difference has major implications for memory efficiency and performance, especially when working with large datasets. Let's see this difference in action. When you use Ravel and modify the flattened array, the original array is also modified because they share the same memory. If you change the first element of the Ravel result to 99, the original array's first element also becomes 99. However, when you use flatten and modify the result, the original array remains unchanged because flatten created an independent copy. So when should you use each method? Use Ravel when you need memory efficiency and want to avoid copying large arrays. It's perfect when you're just reading or iterating through elements. Use flatten when you need to safely modify the flattened array without affecting the original. This is important when you want to preserve your source data while working with a flattened version. To summarize, Ravel returns a view when possible, making it faster and more memory efficient. Flatten always returns a copy, making it slower but safer when you need data independence. Choose Ravel for performance, choose flatten for safety. Understanding this distinction will help you write more efficient NumPy code.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.